Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno Channel, and today we'll see the MS Word insert tab. So in previous video already we have seen about MS Word basics, and today let's start. Today we'll see here MS insert. So first we'll take here cover page. So when you use cover page, so you can click here cover page, and already default templates will be available. So already which kind of cover design you want, you can be take it. See, suppose I want to take this one. So like the design, or if you want another one, you can be take it. So already design will be there, you can be taken, just you can be do the editing, or you can say this cover page as a template also. You can see template, already I told you pre-designed formats means already designed format will be there, that is we can say template. And second one come here blank page. Okay, that will come here blank page. If you want to be use a blank page, you can use this. So just I'm clicking here. After this you want to be take here as a blank page. Suppose I have clicked here, so you can take here blank page. So empty page you can be take here, that is blank page. And page break, suppose here your page already written, you want to break here only, so just to keep cursor here. So when you click page break, so next new page will be comes here. From here it's coming new page. So that is you can be whenever you want, you can be break the page. So I think you understand this one. And next come here table. Like Excel, you can create here table also. So if you want to be in Word some table you want to be create there, just you go table, and here they given already rows and columns also, how many box you want. See, you can see rows, horizontal lines, you can say these are rows, and this is vertical, you can say columns. See, here it will come table boxes. See how many box you want row wise, 4, 4 rows, 5 column, or like you can be take. So you can take one more manual also, you can take insert table. You have to enter here how many columns you want, 10 columns. Rows how many you want, rows you want 5. Both you can use, and column width also can be set here. Okay, otherwise you can be use automatic. Okay, so you can be insert the table here. So like if you have any table work is in Word, when you're doing same thing, you can be take the table. Okay, and then it come here pictures. If you want to be insert pictures in Word, so just you have to click pictures, you can be take the picture. So you have to select your folder or drive where you selected. Suppose I have selected this one, I want this picture to insert, so I can get the pictures. So if you are doing any project, that time what happened, you have to be keep the pictures, then you can be used. And one more come here online pictures. Suppose you want to be check any online pictures, you should have internet connection, then you can be take the online pictures and you can be connect there easily. It's come the shapes design, you can be take any kind of shapes, many will be there. So you can be take this, I am taking all shape. So you can be use related shapes, all designs will be there. You can take design here, this kind of design, this kind of shape, colors. You can shape fill colors, outline colors also you can be take. You can use depend upon your any work is there, so you can be take any kind of shape you can use. See, suppose I want to take another one, this one. Okay, I can do it. So I want to write something here. Okay, then you can be take like this kind of, and you can be type here. So like you can be like any a brochure you are making, any pamphlet you are making, that time you supposed to use this kind of designs, you can be used the art. So that is the use of pictures. Then come again next come to the smart art. So already design will be there. So here this mostly we are using in the PowerPoint, but here also you can be depend upon your work, you can be used. See, many kind of design will be there. Suppose I will take one design, this one. Okay, I will click here. Okay, so wherever designs are there, just I can text here, just I'm putting A, B. Okay, design wise work is there, any project is there, or any PowerPoint slides is there. Here also you can make, and you can shift to there also, or you can be take which kind of design you want, you can be take here also. So this is use of mostly to making the designs. Okay, and next comes here Again next one will there, insert option here, chart, smart art or chart. See, like this, you Excel chart you want, you can be use a chart here. So which kind of chart you want, you can be used. So how the same work you have to be do here, how you work in the Excel, same work you can be process here. See, this kind of chart I want column chart, I can insert. So here already column chart will be there, you can be change the category. This table is there, just you have to be edit here. Suppose here 4.3 where you can see, I'll make it 10. Some more changes will be there. So this table you have to be changed. So this is a, you can see first one, this is jump 10. Suppose I want to change category 2 is 20, so, or I will be put 12. So when I click here, you see category 2 is come 12. So like this, if you want to change in this also, you can be use a change also here, you can be use it. So this is for inserting that one. Again it's come the screenshot. See, this screenshot means when if you want to be screen this, or you can open any image, you can take the shot. Suppose I want to take just a desktop screenshot, just I click here, okay, screen clipping. So you have to select how much you want. See, suppose I want this much, so I will keep, so automatically pictures will come here. So like this, if any another folders you open, even though also you can be take out the pictures, you can be use out. So depend upon your work, you can be used. And you can be used for this online video. Okay, if you want to be insert the video on this project, sometime what happened, videos will be adding, so you can be used. And you can be add the videos also, some short clips, because when you sometime you're giving a seminar, or sometime what happened there, sometime videos are required, because again you have to go YouTube or submit, it will take long time. So better to be attach here only, you can get the video. That's a easy process, you can get the videos here only, you can put. Then come to here, hyperlink. Hyperlink means I want to be connect one word with one picture or one matter. That time you can use the hyperlink. Suppose this computer word is there. Okay, when I select here, I want to link one any file or somewhat. See, I am putting here. Okay, I am selecting some any kind of file you can be take. So I am selecting here one file. See, this is one image I am selecting. I will click OK. Okay, when I click here, it will show the result of this. As you can see here, this right side, it's showing the link. When just you right click and click open hyperlink. So when you click open hyperlink, so whichever you linked there, it will be open here. So like this, you can be make the link with any, or you can be use for what to be, you can link any separate this related content are in the Google, this related YouTube video is there. So you can be make the hyperlink, just you click and open the hyperlink, it will connect to the there. So which I made hyperlink, that one you can be make another things also, so that will come to hyperlinks. And second is the bookmark. Suppose sometime you are reading the books wise, or any matter is in the papers, so you can be set the bookmark. Suppose I have read up to here. See, up to here I want to be read this one next day. So I'll copy here. This one I'll make paging. Up to here I read now. So remaining part I want to read tomorrow. So that's why I want to make it as bookmark. So just I will click here bookmark, and then I will write here add bookmark. It's okay. Bookmark. I'll write here paging, means I have written, I have read up to paging, and add. See, suppose now I close this one. Okay, so when I open the next time, so what happened, I should be go to the same place. See, I can go insert and go to the bookmark. So my bookmark is what, paging, and go to page. So you can see here automatically it's come to the paging up to here. Then after this one you can be read the continuation, that is use of paging, because it will help very when you are reading the many 10-15 pages matter is there, when you reading it will be helpful you. Okay, the cross reference, it is not used now for comment. If you want to write anything about special comment, graphs is there. So I have selected here graphs, I want to write the comment, so I can write here, okay, about graphs, it's important graphs. or sales graphs or something like this, you can write and click it. Okay, whenever just you click here, it will comment will be open. If you don't want comment, just right click on that. Okay, that right click and delete the comment. So comment is you can particular if for remembering purpose. If you have any important word is super main is there related any topics are there or any your you can be save the time any important things is there, you can save the time, no need to go there and search out, just you click the that one. And you can see here header and header footer. See in page heading, if you want to keep something, you can be keep like dates or somewhat. See you can click here header. These are the designs of header. Blank is there. Okay, three design, one is there. Okay, so you can be take which kind of style you want, you can be take. See I will take here this one. Okay, I write the document title. So suppose I'll use rough work. So it will be work it will use for all the pages will come. This also you can see here all page how many pages are open, it will come the title. Okay, you can be double click also it will come, or you can go for insert and header also. Footer also same, if you want to keep something in footer means down. Okay, like thanks, regards, your company, you can write here. Throw I'm writing here Viresh. See, so when I'm writing, so details all will come for double click, just double click, it will go all pages will come the down here from here. So this is we can keep the header and footer. So like date and time. Okay, file title. So whichever you want, you can be keep there the header and footer. Next comes here page number. So many content are there, you want to be keep the page number wise, you can be keep page also you can be keep in top page, bottom page. Okay, page margins, current position. Okay, I use from top or you can use bottom is good because this kind of I want bottom also here. This last I want to be keep. You can see here now last it's coming page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. So like this also you can be keep the page number also you can be use. So it is very easy to be identify your page numbers. Just to double click here, again it will go it. Okay, so that is about page number. So you can keep the page number so you can be keep it. And next comes in insert. This is about quick parts and word parts. Text, you can take here text. So text already it is there in word, not required. If you want to special any text box you want middle of that one, just you can be click here text box, any kind of will become, just you can be type regarding any content are there, you can type, it will be come in the middle of the apart, you can be keep the tags. So it is helpful in the when you're keeping the newspaper articles, that time it will be very helpful. Okay, this is for putting the text. And you can see here word art. Word art is the font style design will be there, you can check any kind of word art you can take. And you can write here. See I write here heading is introduction. Some more designs will be there, which kind of designs you want, you can be keep there introduction. See here if you want to be change the word art style, you can change here. When you select the word art, many kind of designs will be there. Okay, here also you can be select the word art design. So you can be make font headings or some attractive you can make in the word art. And here drop cap. See when you writing the newspapers, so like this you can be word the word first word like this, again first word like this, or you can see like this. So which kind of like when you reading the newspapers, first letter will come big and remaining all with the small, like this will come. See you can see this only in the big, you can increase this also. So this is for drop cap. And it's come the signature line. So after you have written content here and you want to put signature of last, so just to click cursor here, you want to put signature here. Okay, I'll keep my cursor, I'll be select there for signature. So it will come here signature option, just signature, and suggest a sign name. I'll write here Viresh. See just I click OK. So you can see here down my name is there, here is a X. So you have to put your signature here. So where you want to what, you can be put the signature option. And date and time, if you want to mention here date and time, just you can be click here current date and time which you selected, it will come. So where is cursor will be there, you can see here this is date and time what we have selected. Or any Other format also it can be take. And objects, so if you want to be objects of like Excel chart or PowerPoint, any kind of object like a bitmap, image, paint, dart application you can be open. See, image application I am to open, so I can open the dart paint. So shortly you can open application from the objects. And next come the equations. Equations, when you preparing the maths question paper, so equations already will be there. Just you click the equations, just you have to be edit. Yeah, pi r square is there, you can be put 2r square. So whatever content is there you can be used. So same equations will be there, you can be change the equations. So when you select the equations, r related equation symbols will be come here. So you can see here. So it is very useful when you're doing the maths paper and science paper. When you're preparing that time, it's very helpful you. And the next is come symbols. Symbols already know, mathematical all symbols, which kind of symbols you want. See, suppose 2022 is there, I want one symbol, like you can take here pi symbol. So like this. So symbols and these equations are very useful when you people are doing a question paper for maths and science. I think it's very helpful you all of you. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment.